Welcome back to Auguilicious. I've been laughing my way out. Follow who know road. Follow those that know where they are going to. Most times, we keep following those that don't even know where they are going to. Listen to Tech Informat.
Some people, those people that you are even following, you don't even know, they themselves, they don't even know where they are going. It's just like you are following someone that doesn't even know where he or she is going. You get the point. So when you are doing your thing, there's a reason why you are here on YouTube, and you need to you need to think very well, know what you're doing.
Why I brought out that part is the fact that we are so conscious of watch hour, the 1,000 subscribers. What especially we that are coming up. I'm not there yet, but I just felt to share this. Let me know your comment about this whole 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers. How you intend getting them? Do you intend doing Restream? Is Restream a good idea? Do you intend going live yourself, or you intend doing what every other person is doing? What I came to share with us today will be a good tip for someone that wants to create an audience that will not only watch your video once, but that will keep coming back. Restream. Is it a good idea? Most YouTubers have clocked 1,000 over 1,000 and they've gotten their 4,000 watch hours. I see they do a lot of live stream, even encouraging people to do the Restream. But there is a point Tech Informat made. You could go watch him on his channel. He made a point that resonated very well with me. I was like, this could be a very big hazard. He even said someone with over 30,000 subscribers do not have views. How do you get your views? Even when you reach clock that monetization threshold and get the 4,000 watch hour, get the 1,000 subscribers, what is the end game? I just brought this to share with my community. And please, I would love your comment on this because we are just most times we fall victim of becoming demonetized or having the wrong audience, because he made a point. If you're just so cautious of doing the rest stream, maybe you stay for long getting views over 100,000 and all those and all that. Even most people have monetized through that way. If you're going through that route, you might end up getting audience that will not be interested in your main videos, even after gathering all those audience, and they're not interested in your videos, then it's a red flag. So that point, I just came to share in this community because most times we are just like getting so many tips on how to get subscribers. There are so many people giving advice how you can get subscribers, how you can, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. How you can get subscribers, how you can beat the watch hour, how you can be better. And you know the risk of all this, there's risk of shadow ban, risk of um poor view in the long run, and those that will not even come back to your channel. So I said I should share that with my community, with you guys that are watching me. And please share this video to someone that is taking that route. And let me see your thought on this. If you're taking that route and you're still getting views on your platform, let me know as well because I'm still growing. I'm still learning. We are all here to learn from each other. You could make a video, tag me on the video. Let me know what you think about this. For now, it's a bye from me. Bye.